One of the most challenging areas for construction was at Windy Point, east of the Jasper town site. The steep, rocky terrain and limited accessibility to the right-of-way made the work extremely difficult. Special techniques for mountain pipelining were used, and extra care and attention was given to safety. But there was one more unique added complication. The area is a breeding ground for a large herd of mountain sheep.
The main concern is during the rut, the bighorn sheep rams start to chase the ewes around and everything gets a little bit excited. With the construction occurring, there's a trench that's open right now and then pipe in the trench. So the ground isn't the ground that they're used to walking on. So there's definitely obstacles there for their movements, and we're concerned that they might fall into the trench. We really don't want to stress them out, and we really don't want them to have to wait to get their breeding season or their rut started on account of this project.
The Anchor Loop project undertook more than 120 river and stream crossings. The largest crossing was at the Athabasca River east of Jasper town site.
The Athabasca River crossing is probably one of the more challenging river crossings that you'll ever come across, with a 800-meter drag and pole section, and it was a lot of hard work on the contractor's part, as well as our own people, in making that a success.
The Athabasca, that was a job in itself, doing that one. You know, there was a lot of planning went into it, and a lot of sleepless nights, and it went really well.
If the Anchor Loop is the key to the whole expansion system, then that was the key to this side of the project. That was a big success for me.
The topography within the park is diverse and posed numerous challenges. Construction through wetlands was scheduled during winter months when the ground was frozen. In rocky terrain, drilling and blasting was used. In many areas, the right-of-way was too narrow for typical pipeline construction, and stovepipe construction techniques were used to get the work done.
There's limited access, no room for the tractors to be beside the open ditch, so we just have a piece of equipment on each end to pick it up, set it in the clamps, and make our weld that way.
In addition to natural barriers, there were also the man-made ones to deal with. Large holes were drilled for the pipe under the existing CN rail bed, and also under the Yellowhead Highway, the main road running east-west towards the Alberta-British Columbia border and the Continental Divide.